Well, hello, Crosby High School. This is Miss Blanchett again with the Counselor Check-In for Week 7. Wanted to give you guys an opportunity to join the virtual college fair that's being hosted by Strive Virtual College Exploration. They've extended their program for 2 more weeks. You can visit multiple colleges virtually to learn more about their universities. Each presentation is 45 minutes to allow colleges to speak specifically about their institutions, connect with students, and answer questions live. If you'd like to sign up, go to www.strivescan.com/virtual. Remember, it's free and it's targeted to our current juniors and seniors. If you're currently in a credit recovery class, or maybe you're taking a night school class, just know that all classes in Edgenuity are due by May 20th. Seniors, we would love to showcase you on signing day. On May 1st nationwide, seniors who have been accepted to a college, technical school, enlisted in the military, or have secured a job, we'd love to see you in our virtual signing day. For more information, check out the website. Just a couple of friendly reminders as we're doing Zooms. You want to make sure that you mute your microphone when you're not speaking. You can use the raise your hand button if you'd like to comment. When you're finished speaking, let the class know by saying that's all or I'm done, or just remute your microphone. And don't forget, dress appropriately for school. We'd love to connect with you. Ms. Hoy has a Next Level Center Zoom meeting every Tuesday at 2:30. Red House and White House have one every Wednesday at 1:30. Just a reminder where we're located on the high school website. Don't forget about the Counselor Check-In form, which is located in the middle of the page. And if you need to pick up food, Crosby ISD is still providing our feeding program. There are 2 locations. Every Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., you can pick up your meal kit for the entire week. This is the location for Crosby Middle School, and this is the location for Drew Elementary. And lastly, we love you, we miss you, stay positive, stay strong.